Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss 10 vegetarian foods with more protein than eggs, contributing to a balanced and healthful diet. Derived from soybeans, tofu has been a staple in Asian cuisine for centuries. This versatile ingredient can be grilled, stir-fried, blended into smoothies, or even baked into desserts. What makes tofu so remarkable is its high protein content, which includes all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. The beauty of tofu lies in its ability to absorb the flavors of the dishes it is cooked with, making it a beloved ingredient for vegetarians and vegans alike. Next, chia seeds. These tiny seeds, often sprinkled on yogurt or blended into smoothies, are nutritional powerhouses. Despite their small size, chia seeds provide a significant amount of protein, making them an excellent addition to any diet. Their gelatinous texture when soaked in liquid can also be used as a vegan substitute for eggs in baking, showcasing their incredible versatility. Known as the mother of all grains, quinoa is a complete protein that contains all 9 essential amino acids. This ancient grain is not only high in protein but also rich in fiber, iron, and magnesium. Quinoa's nutty flavor and fluffy texture make it a perfect base for salads, bowls, or as a side dish. Its nutritional profile supports muscle repair and growth, maintains healthy blood sugar levels, and promotes overall well-being. The versatility of quinoa allows it to be incorporated into both savory and sweet dishes, expanding its culinary possibilities. Sprouted grains are whole grains that have been soaked and germinated, which enhances their nutritional value. The sprouting process increases the availability of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them easier to digest and absorb. Sprouted grains are rich in protein, fiber, B vitamins, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. Their nutty flavor and chewy texture make them a great addition to salads, breads, and cereals. Incorporating sprouted grains into your diet can help improve digestion, support immune function, and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, fiber, iron, and folate. They come in various colors including green, brown, red, and black, each with a unique texture and flavor. Lentils are a staple in many cuisines around the world, from Indian dals to Middle Eastern soups and salads. Their high fiber content aids in digestion, while their protein helps build and repair tissues. Lentils' versatility allows them to be used in a wide range of dishes, from hearty stews to light salads, making them an indispensable part of a vegetarian diet. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds are nutrient-dense snacks that provide healthy fats, protein, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Almonds, for instance, are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, beneficial for heart health. Sunflower and pumpkin seeds offer magnesium and zinc, essential for various bodily functions. These crunchy delights can be eaten on their own, added to salads, or used as toppings for yogurt and oatmeal. Their rich nutrient profile makes them a valuable addition to any diet, supporting heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. Unlike tofu, tempeh is fermented, giving it a firm texture and a nutty flavor. This fermentation process not only enhances its nutritional profile, but also makes it easier to digest. Tempeh is a complete protein, providing all essential amino acids, and is rich in probiotics, which promote gut health. It is also a good source of iron and calcium. Tempeh's robust texture makes it an excellent meat substitute in dishes like stir-fries, sandwiches, and salads. Its ability to absorb flavors from marinades and sauces makes it a versatile and delicious addition to vegetarian cuisine. Oats, a hearty and nutritious grain that is a staple in many breakfast dishes. Oats are rich in protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals such as manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium. They are known for their high content of beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol levels and supports heart health. Oats can be enjoyed in various forms, from oatmeal and overnight oats to granola and baked goods. Their versatility and mild flavor make them a perfect base for both sweet and savory dishes, providing sustained energy and keeping you full throughout the day. Hemp seeds are another nutritional powerhouse. These tiny seeds are rich in protein, healthy fats, and a variety of vitamins and minerals, including magnesium and zinc. Hemp seeds have a mild, nutty flavor and can be sprinkled on salads, blended into smoothies, or incorporate it into baked goods. Their high protein content and balanced ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids support heart health, brain function, and overall wellness. The versatility of hemp seeds allows them to be used in a variety of dishes, enhancing both flavor and nutritional value. Finally, spirulina, a blue-green algae that is incredibly nutrient-dense. Spirulina is one of the richest sources of protein among plant-based foods and is packed with B vitamins, iron, and antioxidants. This superfood is often found in powder or tablet form and can be added to smoothies, juices, or even energy bars. Spirulina's deep green color is indicative of its high chlorophyll content, which has detoxifying properties. Its impressive nutritional profile supports immune function, energy levels, and overall health. These 10 vegetarian foods: tofu, chia seeds, quinoa, sprouted grains, lentils, nuts and seeds, tempeh, oats, hemp seeds, and spirulina offer a wide range of protein benefits that can match or even surpass those of eggs. Each of these foods brings unique flavors, textures, and health benefits to the table, making them excellent choices for a balanced and varied vegetarian diet. Whether you are a lifelong vegetarian or simply looking to incorporate more plant-based foods into your diet, these nutritional powerhouses provide a wealth of options to nourish your body and delight your palate. If you found this video useful, like and share this with your friends and subscribe for more useful tips.